Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CC app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on account settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to improve space service, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's may improve space service enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.